How to manage app installs notifications on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage app installs notifications on Google Chrome mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and click this three points here on top, this one on top corner, click on it and then click settings, and now go down and you will find this one, notifications. Just click on it and then go down and you will find this one here, app installs notifications. If you want to turn it off, just click on it, and as you see, app installs has been turned off. And if you want to turn it on again, you need just to click on it, and that's it. And if you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.